All right, y'all. So getting into Pear Deck, you basically just go to peardeck.com and you'll log in with your idea email. So then everything is connected between your SharePoint, your Teams, everything. So log in with your at ideapublicschools.org email address. And once you get in, you'll be able to start from a few different places. You can either create a presentation, and what that will do is just create a new PowerPoint file in your SharePoint that is completely blank. From there, you can build out your lesson from here. Otherwise, another option that you can do is present a file from OneDrive and incorporate different Pear Deck stuff with it. So you can click here, open OneDrive. It'll have you log in the first time that you get into it. But ultimately, you'll come in here and this will bring you to all of your documents. If you click here on Pear Deck, you can either upload a file from your computer, which any PowerPoint will work, or present something that's already in your files here. So for me, I have this presentation, so I can just open it and it'll automatically open this to be able to get started. And if I want to edit it, I can click here. It's going to bring me straight to the PowerPoints. Once you're in, it's pretty simple. Like here, you're going to click on the three dots. You're going to bring open Pear Deck. And let's see here. So let's go to a slide that I don't already have anything on. Actually, let's just make one. So if I add a slide here and I'm like, I want to have a slide where I want people to share, how are you feeling today? Describe in 3 sentences. Okay, let's just say I want a super simple slide and I just want kids to be able to answer in text. Just click here, text, and it automatically has it. So you can try out these different options. Text will put the text box so kids can type in what they want to write. Draw will give them the opportunity to be able to highlight and draw and annotate on the screen. Now, when I'm ready to present it, I just click here on Present with Pear Deck. You'll have the option for student-paced activity or instructor-paced. I would always pretty much just click on instructor-paced. And what that'll do, it'll bring you to this screen here. You can give students a link. I think that's probably the easiest way to get kids to be able to join. So I would just say, click on that, give kids a link. It'll prompt them to log in and they'll be ready to go. If I click here on Open Teacher Dashboard, that will give me a separate view from what kids will see. So if I open this here, this presenter view will control student screens. So whatever's on this main browser is what students are seeing on their browsers. That's all that they can see. But over here on my view, I can click here, go to do now. And for students, they'll see that, but they'll also see a little box for them to type. And for you, as they are typing, you will see their responses here and can give feedback. Once you move to the next slide, it'll take away that option for them to be able to write. If I move forward here, and let's say that I actually want to give kids the opportunity to solve 2 problems at their own pace, I can click here and say, turn on student-paced mode. Turning on student-paced mode will allow kids to be able to move at their own pace through all of the slides in the deck. Once I say stop student-paced, then that'll stop it. Now, let's say that students just worked on a bunch of problems and I want to show responses. You can click on the responses you want to see when there's multiple here, and it'll display them for the kids on the main screen. You can see here that they're waiting for responses because I haven't put any in there yet, but it'll show whatever's highlighted here. So that is the quick and dirty of it. I am no expert at this, but my hope is that this quick tutorial gave you some ideas of the basics of how to get started with Pear Deck.